Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this 3-in-1 auto hat heat press machine. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up. We're gonna try out the heat press and I'll show you what it looks like. The package comes with several different pieces in it. We have our automatic hat heat press machine. We also have a cap, a pair of heat resistant gloves, 5 DTF transfer papers, a roll of high temperature tape, as well as the detailed user instruction manual. So we basically have everything that we need to get started and create our various designs. This hat heat press machine is multi-purpose. We have 3 different heating pads that come with it. There is the 5.5 by 3 inches. We also have a 6 by 2.8 inches, as well as a 6 by 3.9 inches. I love the different sizes that is able to meet all my diverse needs of what I am trying to heat press. The 6 by 3.9 inch heating plate is also adaptable to be used for various different hats like barrettes, baseball caps, bucket hats, peaked caps, and even bonnets as well. The hat press also has an LCD control panel that is precise and easy to use. We can turn the knobs to adjust the temperature as well as the time. The temperature range that it is able to do is from 104 all the way up to 401 degrees Fahrenheit. And we have a time range of 1 all the way up to 999 seconds. This heat press machine is constructed from durable and reliable material. The aluminum plates are specifically designed to resist any warping, cracking, or corrosion that might happen with use. This extends the machine's lifespan and durability to make it more reliable and consistent as we are using this heat press over time. Plus, it also gives an efficient and even heat distribution that makes our results consistent, professional, and long-lasting. I love how easy it is to use. All I need to do is press the button lightly and the machine is going to automatically close and adjust the pressure. It also has a countdown. When the countdown ends, the heating plate is going to lift on its own and we are going to hear a beeping sound to let us know that the heating process is complete. You can use this for fun DIY craft projects, and it also works great for online selling of your creations as well. Plus, it also makes a great gift idea for birthdays, Christmas, or any special events, especially for craft lovers in your life. If you are in the market for a heavy-duty, reliable, and multi-purpose hat heat press machine, either for yourself or to give as a gift for special occasions, this one is definitely worth looking into.